Hello and welcome to our channel. We are back again with another video, and for today's entry in our hashtag food series, we have St. Lucido Bakery all the way from Binyan, Laguna, and they have sent us 2 boxes of their very famous Ensaymada. So now let's all see and have a closer look of their products. As you all can see, they offer 4 flavors of their famous Ensaymada, and it's really a perfect pair with a cup of coffee. So now, let's try to dig in more on each and every flavor that they offer. Starting off with ube cheese. Now this is my personal favorite, and I love that it has no preservatives added. It's a perfect blend of ube and cheese and a soft moist buttery Ensaymada with the right amount of sweetness. Right up next is their best-seller cheese Ensaymada. Well, obviously, they are so generous in putting cheese on top. It really complements well with their buttercream, and this is Ian's favorite. So I hope you can stay until the end of the video for you to see a little mukbang from Ian. Up next is their bacon cheese. It's a surprise for me that it really has bacon bits inside. It's not just a topping, it's so flavorful that really blends well with their soft moist buttery Ensaymada. And last and definitely not the least, this is my husband's favorite, their salted egg. It's a combination of salted egg and cheese that is not too salty, and it's so satisfying in every bite. They also have classic MAMON that has ube and cheese on top that is so soft. And now allow me to share with you their whole menu and their reseller details so that it will be easier for you to order and inquire. If you haven't subscribed in our channel yet, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell button so that you'll be notified every time that we upload a new video. And also subscribe to It's All About Kim and the Baxter family. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any food suggestion that you want us to feature next time.